darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds when I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the night collide a soul, 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. For that you do not know, silence like a cancer grow. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my hands that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, in the waves of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sun flashed out its warning in the world that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophet are written somewhere walls and tenement halls and whispers